Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
As expected, clouds have increased across the area today. We have stayed dry throughout southern Oregon, northern California, but we are expecting some clearing to take place for parts of Siskiyou County and the east side. But I do expect generally partly to mostly cloudy skies along and west of the Cascades. We're a little bit closer to this storm system that's going to be moving on in. Then clouds will quickly thicken up again across the region tomorrow, and that rain's going to move on in. Current temperatures 69 in Medford, 68 currently in Eagle Point. We're up to 58 up at Lake of the Woods, 67 in Ashland, and 72 degrees in Cave Junction. Cooler along the coast, though, where clouds have been thicker, and we've been dealing with some fog from the marine layer at times today. Temperatures are in the 50s. Right now, it's 69 degrees in Weed, 72 degrees in Etna, it's 70 in Happy Camp, and east of the Cascades, temperatures running above average in the mid to upper 60s in most spots, 68 in Paisley, and it's 68 degrees as well in Klamath Falls. Now, winds are still light, so we have still been seeing a little bit of an issue when it comes to air quality, but winds are going to pick up. We're seeing that already taking place in Lakeview right now. South winds at 15 miles per hour sustained. But as this storm system rolls in tomorrow, not only will it bring the rain, but also some windier weather, especially for our higher elevations and the east side. And that should help to scour out a lot of the smoke. And then also, of course, the rain will be helping as well for areas of southern Oregon, northern California. So the dry weather is going to move on out. Rain moves on in tomorrow, and it stays rather active and unsettled right through the rest of the week and into the weekend with more chances for rain and even some mountain snow. Tonight, look for basically quiet conditions for most areas. Some showers could start to track in near the coast. Most spots seeing lows down into the 40s and 30s. In the Rogue Valley tomorrow, doesn't look too bad heading off to work and school in the morning. We should be dry, but that rain will start to move on in by around the middle of the day, and then some of the heavier rain is possible in the afternoon, but mainly looking at moderate rainfall. But some heavier downpours are possible, though, near the coast and the coastal mountains, where we're going to see some of our highest rainfall totals from this system. So up to 65 tomorrow in Klamath Falls, 63 in Medford. Showers east of the Cascades should hold off until the afternoon. Stormcast looking like this. There's the wet weather starting to push in already in the morning along the coast for places like Brookings and Gold Beach, Port Orford as well. And then look at that rain, at times heavy near the coast. Some showers possible around noon in Medford, and then there's that wet weather moving through the afternoon and then on into the evening across our region. And then snow levels will start to drop. There's the snow for Crater Lake and some of our higher elevations. Snow levels dropping to about 5,000 feet by Thursday morning, but most of us will likely see rain on Wednesday. Your rainfall forecast, the highest amounts will be towards the coast and the coastal mountains, likely up over an inch of rain. Some spots could be up over 1.5 inches. And our west side valleys, looks like quite the range, anywhere between 1/10 of an inch to some spots getting as much as 1/2 inch, especially towards Josephine County. Here's your 7-day forecast. A soggy stretch of weather for the coast. More chances at rain, heavier rain once again possible on Saturday. Northern California, breezy for tomorrow. Some wet weather moving on in. Temperatures really chilling down with highs in the 50s later this week and into this weekend. The Klamath Basin, an unsettled stretch of weather. Windy tomorrow, turning wet by the end of the day. And another stretch of some windy weather with that next more potent storm system on Saturday. The Cascades, rain and even some snow in the forecast for the higher elevations. And in the Rogue Valley, just going to see rain for us, but definitely some beneficial rain coming to the entire region here over the next several days.
It is so nice to not worry about a drought at this point.
Yes, no worries about that.
Yeah. Thanks so much, Matt.